Hello, my name is JC, and welcome to Empire Algorithmic Trading. When I was a teenager, my father gave me this book, How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill. It's a great book. I highly recommend you read it if you haven't. It's a great combination of fundamental and technical analysis. But the truth is, it's very difficult and it's a very hard model, right? I thought I sucked at it for the longest time. And so I tried all these other services, and it turns out it's just as equally challenging for them, too. And that's because the truth is this is the high risk, high reward, low probability setup. But the core is there, right? The core is right. The combination of fundamental and technical analysis, and when you combine those two and you take the laws of supply and demand, it's all right there for us. But what I wanted something that was independent of myself, right? So years and years of getting my butt kicked, I felt like I sucked at trading. And so I needed something that took me out of the equation. So I wanted something that was based off of time, price, and volume. And that's exactly what we did. So when you combine those three, you tend to get buy signals like this. Pretty cool. I mean, this one didn't turn out so good, right? But this one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. That one, yeah. And this one's pretty spectacular. However, when you flip that script, you get sell signals like this. So now I've got a stop loss, I've got a profit taking, I'm back in, I got profit taking, I'm back in, I got a stop loss, I'm back in. That's pretty cool, right? Now here's the amazing part. That's all done by a computer. That was not picked by me. I didn't do anything. What we did was we created a formula that incorporates time, price, and volume, and it takes the principles laid out of Bill O'Neill, and it has a computer do it for us. It's freaking spectacular. It's very consistent. More of the trades are winners than losers, and the average gain is bigger than the average loss. I mean, it's a perfect thing, right? We can monitor the SPY. We use the same principle. When the SPY starts showing weakness, the algorithm that we have, it stops sending us buy signals. So we have this available, and it's available for us, and it's basically momentum trading at its finest because we now have a point of reference for every stock on the market. We have an entry and an exit point, and we can now study everything that happens in between. So I've taken Bill O'Neill's principle of a high probability, or I'm sorry, low probability, high risk, high reward, and I've dwindled it down, I've narrowed it down to a very consistent, profitable, high probability, low risk, low reward trade. And it's everything in between. So if you want to go for something a little bit bigger, risk a little bit more, you can do that. It's a spectacular system. It's really not even a system. It's a model. It's a spectacular model based solely off of price and volume. So please check us out at vwapvision.com or follow us at patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we're going to have plenty of discussions and more figure out how to use this thing, right? So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited for you to get it. It makes the market fun. It makes the market profitable, and it's a good time. So thank you and happy trading.